Every college has its strengths, but at Meenakshi College of Engineering, what stands out is how those strengths connect. Established in 2001 under the Meenakshi Group of Institutions, the college operates at a steady scale. Over 2,000 students, 180 faculty members, an impressive 19:1 student-faculty ratio, 30 PhD qualified faculty, and a network of over 10,000 alumni. It's approved by AICTE, accredited by NAAC, and affiliated to Anna University, which sets the academic foundation it builds on. That structure shows up clearly in academics. Undergraduate programs cover core branches like CSE, IT, ECE, EEE, EIE, Mechanical and Civil, along with newer tracks such as Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, Cybersecurity, B-Arch, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, and Computer Science and Business Systems. At the postgraduate level, the college extends into MArch, 3 ME specializations, MBA, MCA, and doctoral research. What stands out isn't just what's offered, it's how it runs. The approach follows a simple idea: learning by doing. Concepts move beyond classrooms into labs, projects, and industry exposure. Curriculum updates come from both academic and industry inputs. Mini projects begin early, and by the final year, students are working on real-world problems. Internships are built into the academic structure, not added later. That connects directly to industry exposure. 45 MOUs are in place, including with Commonwealth Youth Council, Commonwealth Students Association, ADF, Global Techno, and Retech Solutions. Alongside this, a Center of Excellence with Capgemini gives students access to industry tools and environments beyond textbook learning. This translates into internships, industrial visits, on-the-job training, project work, and skill-based modules running parallel to coursework. Certifications through NPTEL, ICT Academy, and corporate partners add another layer. This kind of setup tends to work especially well for students who prefer hands-on learning, building projects, working through real problems, and moving beyond just theory. Then comes campus life. Technical clubs, IEEE student chapters, hackathons, cultural events, and sports activities run through the year. It's not just participation. It's where students build teams, take up roles, and work through deadlines outside the classroom. Infrastructure supports this ecosystem. A Wi-Fi-enabled campus, smart classrooms, advanced labs like power electronics, digital principles and computer organization, and manufacturing technology. A library with digital access, journals, and an integrated system. Hostels, transport, and sports facilities. Football, cricket, volleyball, chess, along with everyday student spaces that keep the campus active beyond class hours. And over time, this reflects in outcomes. In the 2025 to 2026 placement cycle, the highest offer so far stands at 10 lakh per annum through Jaro Education for MBA roles. Core engineering roles reach up to 6 to 8 lakh per annum with Adya AI. But the clearer pattern is scale. 34 offers from Codework AI, 47 from QSpiders, 27 from Besant Technologies. Alongside recruiters like Accenture, Amazon, TCS, Cognizant, Infosys, Capgemini, IBM, Wipro, Quess, Sutherland, Ara Energy, The Coding Lab, and TVS Sundaram Fasteners. The hiring mix doesn't lean entirely in one direction. Alongside IT roles, core engineering opportunities continue across manufacturing, electronics, and related sectors, keeping the distribution balanced. Hiring spreads across roles, companies, and batches. And alongside placements, the academic output stays active. 3 gold medals, 38 university rank holders, 35 patents, 181 journal publications, and 91 conference papers. That's really where the difference comes in. Academics, industry exposure, campus activity, and placements don't operate separately here. They build on each other. And for students comparing autonomous colleges in Chennai, that continuity is often what makes the decision clearer. Comment MCE to know more.